Guys, look at this stunning, iconic, big bore, air-cooled, classic two-stroke. This is one that'll definitely rip your house off the foundation. This bike won the 1978 AMA 500cc Outdoor National Championship for Yamaha with Rick Burgett riding it. They also won the 250 National Championship with Bob Hanna twisting the throttle, and Broc won the 125. There was a clean sweep of the 125, 250, and 500 National Championship, and Mikola won the World Championship on a works version of this bike. Just a spectacular machine that stood the test of time. They're considered one of the best vintage race bikes you can get. This one is restored to Concours-Level condition. It looks like it just rolled off the showroom line or rolling to the line at a national in 1978. It's been customized and upgraded in many ways, starting right down at the frame. The bike was stripped right to the frame and completely given a full comprehensive frame-up restoration, including sandblasting, inspecting the frame, priming and painting the frame. From there, the running gear was all restored, including the front wheel, brand new full circle racing, lightweight aluminum wheel, just absolutely beautiful with the new Maxxis tire. And you can see the hubs were beautifully restored and Cerakoted, this magnesium or light gray color. The fork lowers were polished. The forks were rebuilt with new fork seals. The front brakes were rebuilt. You can see the brake backing plate was restored and painted also, or Cerakoted. The triple clamps were restored and repainted. Brand new front fender, brand new front number plate, brand new set of bars, all new running gear with new ODI grips. The levers have been customized, shorty levers with the dog leg, new throttle cable, new front brake cable, new clutch cable, and the fuel tank is beautifully restored. Steel tank, absolutely beautiful, beautifully painted with the period correct Yamaha graphics, new gas cap, new breather tube line. Seats restored with 6.5 inches of super plush seat foam with the Yamaha cover on there. It looks beautiful. Brand new rear fender, customized with the white side number plates with the Yamaha number ones and the matching white front number plate. We'll get to the engine last, but not least, the swing arm. That was one of the defining factors of the 78 monoshock, this beautiful monoshock suspension system with the full circle racing, matching polished aluminum rear rim, just absolutely beautiful. New spokes. You see how the hub was beautifully restored. If you zoom in there, you can see how well that was done. The magnesium brake backing plate was restored and refinished in that silver. These full circle rims are just absolutely gorgeous. They're like jewelry. All the hardware is new. The axle adjusters, the original axles in mint condition. The brake system is in perfect condition, restored with new brake pads. The original brake lever is in good condition. The original pegs are intact and in good shape, as is the kicker. The engine cases are in pristine condition, fully vapor blasted and restored, and the engine was completely rebuilt from the crank up with a brand new Wiseco 1mm over piston, new rings, new base gasket, new head gasket, new top end bearing, circlip, and base and head gasket, new spark plug cap, and if you come around, and a new clutch. If you come around this side here, you can see it's got a brand new cone pipe, handmade, hand welded work style pipe with a new work style aluminum silencer. Just a spectacular system. And this thing hauls ass. It'll pull the front end up in third, fourth, and fifth gear. The cylinder was finished in the works style finish, stripped of all paint. That's just right down to the bare metal. The carburetor is rebuilt with all new jets and new fuel line, new petcock. Air box is completely restored with a new air filter, new reeds, brand new chain of sprockets. If you look closely, you can see all the hardware is new, and the spring is new, and the sliders are new, both on the swing arm. The rollers are new. Just an absolutely beautiful piece. The original chain guard is intact. At one point, the chain had come off, and you can see this little crack. See this little crack right here on the top? That's the piece that was holding on. That was Belzoned back onto there, which is like an industrial grade epoxy. And this is the wire that goes into the case. It's just a little bit of sealant on there. There's nothing wrong there, but there was a slight crack right there that was repaired. And the original made in Japan countershaft sprocket cover is in mint condition, and it has a new countershaft sprocket. Frame's in beautiful condition. The original pegs nice and straight. Original shifters in really good condition, and it looks like it's ready to roll to the line at Farleigh Castle for the Vet MX designations, or if you want to bring it to Unadil to MX Rewind, this one's ready to go. Let me pull it off the stand. It runs as good as it looks. Let me lean it against a pole here. You can get a look at the bottom. I always recommend on the classic motocrossers, you got to take a look at them top to bottom. You can see this frame rail here is in excellent condition. This one is in mint condition. No dents or dings on that side. There's a small ding right here on this one, probably from a rock or something, but overall in outstanding condition. The engine cases look to be in beautiful shape also. You can see when the engine was out, those are magnesium engine cases. So when the bike was out, they were vapor blasted and refinished, and you can see it's all new hardware on the clutch cover, all new hardware on the cylinder. Just a beautifully restored piece. So 400, well, it was originally 397 with the 1 millimeter overboard. It's over 400 cc. I don't have my calculator in front of me, but air cooled, big bore, 2-stroke, reed valved, monoshock. It's still a drum brake bike, so it'd be very competitive for Armor Racing at Mid-Ohio. And boy, isn't she a looker. I mean, it's at home in here in the museum, or bring it to your home and put it on display, or in your man room or at your office. It's about as nice of a 78 YZ400 as I've ever seen. This is what we call a no expense spared frame off restoration to Concours condition. This one with some nice tasty upgrades, some resto-mod upgrades with the custom race pipe and chains and sprockets and polished aluminum wheels, polished fork lowers. Stunning piece. If you have any questions about it, give us a call, 860-454-7024. We ship it right to your door. White glove service, roll on, roll off, enclosed and insured. And we also finance these in-house through Freedom Road. Thanks for watching. God bless America.